Hello everyone, this is a OPPO smartphone. This phone has intermittent charging issues. The USB sockets appear to be broken, but the pins are not broken inside. When we connect the charging pin, it shows charging, and again when we leave it, it disconnects. Charging, connecting, disconnecting is the issue with this. So let's try to solve this problem. For that, first of all, remove the SIM tray.
Be careful with the fingerprint sensor. Okay. Now this model requires a plus head screwdriver. Okay, just disconnect it gently. See that none of the small components are damaged. Remove this RF cable. There are no screws for the subboard. Just pull it in this way. Now we need to change this socket. Here you see this one. The socket doesn't appear to be broken, so we'll try to clean it. Take isopropylene or glass cleaning solution. Okay, apply it on a cloth, a lint-free cloth. Then set it in this way. Here. Try to shake the cloth. From the dry side. The contacts are clean. Now what we need to do is we need to bend these locks a bit down so that they will hold the pin tightly. Not too much. If they will bend too much, then the pin will get stuck. And this one as well, the center one. Okay. Many times what happens, these grooves which hold the pin, they get elongated, and that time we can't do anything, and in that cases it's better to replace the socket itself. Here you can see this one. Okay, now we'll fix it back. Here, this way. As we have disassembled it, let me clean the 3.5 mm socket as well, headphone socket. See the dirt. It's clean. See that this pin should touch the 3.5 mm jack. Here there is a lock, and here also there is a lock. Be careful not to damage any small components around. Just lock this one. Charging connector, main charging connector. This is RF cable. Just press it. Okay. Now take this speaker box. Now take the back cover. Just clean the cameras before fixing the back cover, and the camera glass as well if there is any dust. Okay, start from the top. See, these both the side keys are good. Confirm the keys placement and then press it. Now insert the memory card, SIM card, whatever it is. Okay. So let's connect and check. Earlier, whenever I shake it, it was getting disconnected, but now it's good. Hope this video is going to be helpful for you in repairing the loose connection, charging issue, intermittent charging problem of your OPPO smartphone. If this video was helpful for you, kindly hit the like icon, share the video and subscribe to our channel if you are not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time.